Hello there everyone, my name is Scrollo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I think that a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money on Bitcoin very shortly. So watch this video from the beginning and until the end. This is a mega important update. I know that I'm in a bathrobe and I apologize. I'm actually taking a small retreat. And if you ever have wondered what a multi-$1,000 per night room in Bulgel Arab looks like in a 7-star hotel, then there you go. This is actually our bedroom is up there, and this is really huge place. This is pretty crazy. So I mean, it's a Sunday, and this is our bar, etc. So it is pretty crazy. And I have very important news for you. Despite me being in Bulgel Arab and enjoying my freaking life, guys, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I'm always out there for you to create content for you. So call me Mr. Spot on down in the comments, and just let's jump straight into this and join my free Discord channel down in the description of this video so that you're always notified when I make a new upload and you see all of my trades and the trades of my team. Very important to be there. First things first, let's start with some interesting news that are coming out, and then we're gonna talk about some interesting on-chain data that is just spelling trouble for so many people. It's quite crazy. So let's get into it. First things first, a really interesting article which is talking about a recession and a credit crunch could actually result in a $1 trillion of corporate debt defaults, the Bank of America actually says. So this, I mean, you can find this article online. The stuff is getting worse in US. It's not getting any better, and I don't think it's gonna get any better anytime soon, especially with the current potential default of the whole United States because of the debt ceiling. So this is pretty bad. But on a good note, you remember about CBDCs, right? So let's talk about these. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis actually has banned CBDCs in the state. I love this because there has been some, legal threat from CBDCs maybe once they come out, and with this Fed Now thing, they could actually try to ban crypto. But there is gonna be states who understand what CBDCs are, and that they are anti-freedom. And there are Republican states, really strong states, that know what's up and that actually value human freedom. So this is very positive, guys. Now, next thing, that this is also not going anywhere. More than 700 US banks, and this is a fresh article, May 12th, facing significant safety and soundness risk due to massive unrealized losses. And Federal Reserve admits to it. So we're gonna see how that's gonna play out. And I think it's gonna feed into the narrative of the technicalities I'm gonna be showing you right now. And because again, if we're gonna see more cascading liquidations of banks, we're going to see Fed printing more money, and whenever we see more liquidations of banks, usually we see Bitcoin actually go up, because that's what Bitcoin has been created for, and we've seen these effects already, that Bitcoin is actually starting to fulfill its prophecy, so to speak. And now let's talk about the technicals, which led me to believe that most people are going to lose in this instance. So let me show you. And before I do, remember that, guys, I'm trading over on Bybit, and Bybit right now is one of the biggest exchanges that doesn't have any stupid FUD about it. So with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, actually, you can claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses. You can enter into a giveaway of Audemars Piguet Diver Watch automatically by being an active trader on Bybit. You can claim my crypto course, the investment course, not the full course, but the investment course, which is worth $500 for absolutely free if you deposit more than $500, claimable in my Discord, link down in the description of this video as well. And all depositors users get access to my Crypto Signals community for absolutely free, so for lifetime. And there is actually no other way to get into my Discord. In the VIP section, there's again a link to my Discord in the description of this video and in the pinned comment as well. You have to go into the VIP signal section, and for this you need to put in your Bybit UID. It's very simple. You can do it in like 2 seconds, and there is an instruction of how to do it in Discord. So now let's move on and talk about the technicals. The first thing I want to talk to you about is actually this chart right here. So this is Bitcoin longs. And we're gonna see a very interesting story here. So Bitcoin, the long trades have actually gone down. Now, if we're gonna take a look at the funding rates, we're gonna see that the market is currently predominantly short. So, and this is actually telling us that because there are so many people that are actually being short right now, and let's just quickly confirm this, because we want to take a look at the amount of shorts also from Bitfinex, and look what the shorts look like. This is the amount of shorts. This is a 4-hour chart, so the amount of shorts is actually piling up. And guess when this actually happened the last time, when we also had a lot of shorts, and this was, let me just go a little bit back, this was right here. When we actually went down, everybody was like, yeah, we're going to 20K, 18K, etc. So this is when this happened, and then it actually pumped because of the failure of one of the banks. So, and this is what potentially we're currently seeing here as well, because again, the funding rate is showing it to us. The amount of short trades that people have right now is pretty crazy. And what does usually happen when we have such a dominance of longs or shorts? We see a squeeze, we see liquidations. And this is also courtesy of Mikey Bull Crypto. This is what he actually posted, that this is where this huge short squeeze, and then potentially this is what we're gonna have yet again. So this is exactly what I've been just talking about. And this is what you guys need to pay attention to, because I'll give you one more reason. Let's take a look at S&P 500. It's not going down. So it's not, I mean, the reason why Bitcoin is going down is not because of the traditional markets. The reason why Bitcoin is going down is because we've discussed this in previous videos. If you haven't seen them, please go back and check them out. It was because of the fears that we had over the debt ceiling, and this Bitcoin being most forward-looking. Then we had some dumps of some companies, some entities as well. So it's just a selling pressure that came in. And so we did right here. And since this is not by any means fundamental, this can be actually treated, and I'm just explaining more complicated ways of trading. And if you want to learn all of these ways, proper ways of trading, then go down in the description of this video and sign up for a call with my success team, because I still have 2 VIP seats for one-on-one mentorship, a paid mentorship. So it's not a cheap mentorship where I mentor you one-on-one on trading, investing, etc. But you can sign up for a call with my team and find out how much it costs and how it works. Link down the description to sign up for a call. Do it now. Seats are mega limited. I don't take more people than I can actually handle. So yeah. And in this instance, when we have only a technical move to the downside and some selling pressure, no big fundamental reason, and people take it as a big fundamental reason, or hoping we're going to keep going down to something like 20K, so they're shorting the crap out of it, usually it leads to a big short squeeze. So therefore, I'm still long, and I'm building my long trade, and we're already seeing these kinds of wicks here, which again, I don't really pay attention to wicks much, but my next target to build my long trade, to add to my long trade, is 25K, even if we're gonna actually get there. Because if we're gonna zoom in, we're gonna see that we already are seeing a lot of support here. Somebody's buying out Bitcoin at these levels, and now we're actually consolidating. So we wanna see if we're actually gonna go up and down. But for me, I don't care, because I explained my strategy to you a while ago. I really think that this is like a part of this healthy move to the upside. And this is what this guy is also, quite frankly, talking about. So this is the whole idea, guys. Stay smart. Don't follow the emotions. Be a professional trader. Join Bybit, link down in the description for all the bonuses. Sign up for a call with my team if you want to become one of my one-on-one mentees and hang out together with me in Bulgel Arab. Well, whatever. And as always, oh, you know what? Also check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. Even if you're a professional trader, you will still learn a lot from this tutorial. And as for myself, guys, I think I'm gonna go and enjoy myself a bit. So stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.